So I just had to cut the video because Brownie could go at this for a very prolonged period. So I'm going to give you a next minute or so because she was moving from place to place. She knew exactly where she wants to go and do this sort of thing. So she's now here and she seems to be satisfied at this particular location. Remember to like, follow, and share. It is a privilege for me to share with the world my yard fowls. I have always been fascinated with them as a very little girl. And life has progressed in such a way that with social media and a camera, I can share them with you. They will tell their own story. So bye for now.